Oh, my bad. What's going on, guys? So we are in Tampa, Florida now. This is a ship spotting / ship tour weekend. There's Justin. He follows me everywhere, apparently.
Oh yeah, as you come to Tampa.
Yeah.
I'm the follower.
Yeah, he follows me like all over the place when I'm down here in Florida, it seems like. Anyways, we're down in Tampa. We are heading down to his hometown of Parkland. We're gonna make a quick pit stop. We're gonna go down and ship spot today. We're getting down there as quick as we possibly can, and hopefully we get the ship spot today. I think there's Empress of the Seas, Navigator, Celebrity, Infinity is there as well, and I want to say Victory. So, big day. We are touring the Conquest tomorrow. A lot of fun stuff for you coming up this weekend, so stay tuned. And also the Norwegian Joy. That's why we came down here, honestly. It literally came down for the Joy, but we made like a lot of extra stuff out of it. So it's cool, stay tuned, and let's continue the video.
Got him. Busted.
Busted, sir.
Time to slow down. Someone was already pulled over. So I saw that, and then I saw the other guy. Time to cruise at 74.
Yeah, you might want to slow down there, buddy.
No need for another ticket. Yes, there's another one.
Man, they're out today.
They're out and about today. Without a shout.
This is our form of entertainment right now. Hey, get in your lane.
Hey,
get in your lane.
Out of your mouth, mate. All your tubes.
This is our form of entertainment right now because it's a 4-hour ride from Tampa to Parkland right now. So, and then we got to go to Miami. Well, hopefully we get to go. Then we got another like what is it, like an hour to Miami or something like that?
From my place, yeah.
So we're gonna be doing a
With
lot of
traffic,
riding in a
it's
car.
gonna be busy down there. Friday in an afternoon. Woo.
Fingers crossed.
But if we don't go today, it's all right. It's nothing crazy that we're missing.
Right.
We've seen them all. So.
Yeah, I guess we did see I guess Celebrity Infinity.
Celebrity Infinity would be the only crazy one, but
and it's not really like crazy. It's just kind of like, ooh, I haven't seen that ship.
Right. So
this is gonna get copyrighted.
Yeah, I'm surprised you didn't pause it at first.
Yeah. So what are we, like 1 hour in? There we go. Almost there.
Yeah, there. I can do 75.
I'm hungry. Are we there yet?
Yeah. And if there's no food here, you want to go to the Holiday Inn Express and have their continental breakfast?
That's a great idea. Free breakfast.
Actually, that is a very
free food.
Oh, are you guys staying here? No, we just want the food.
No, not really. It's not that.
It's definitely not that.
It's not that, but it's gonna be a long car ride. When we see the Joy on Sunday, it's gonna be all worth it. Well, you know you're in Florida when the sun is out, well it was, and it's pouring down rain. Welcome back to Florida.
I love it here.
I love it. I love it. It's great. Yep, there's the sun right there. And pouring. Love it. I love it. Also a time check, I think we have like an hour left of our drive.
Yeah, something like that.
We have... There's no service out here, so we can't really just tell where we're at by the GPS.
Speed up.
We're getting there. Alright, hey everyone, just checking back in. It's the end of the day, so Unfortunately, we originally planned to go to Miami and ship spot there today. They didn't really work out. We were really busy trying to get all the way down from Tampa from this morning. We almost had a shot at going to Port Everglades to see Celebrity Equinox instead, and turns out that Celebrity Equinox leaves at 3:30, which is a little bit earlier than usual. So by the time we figured that out, it was a little too late to get over to Port Everglades, because it was a little bit closer than Port of Miami. But so unfortunately today was more of just a travel day. I hope you enjoyed the video though. Tomorrow starts all the ship spotting adventures. We'll be getting up extremely early. Justin's grandparents are getting off of a cruise. They're getting off of I believe they're getting off of Holland America's New Amsterdam, I think. We'll figure it out. But tomorrow morning is Adventure of the Seas, Carnival Magic, and the Holland America ship. We're going to do a very early morning ship spotting video, so hopefully that's going to be really good. And then tomorrow we also have the Carnival Conquest tour, so that'll bring the tour video, a day on board, and then a ship spotting video afterwards. We got a pretty busy day in Port of Miami tomorrow, so a lot of big stuff going on tomorrow. So, you know, kind of bummed we didn't get the ship spot today, but you know, it's all right. Tomorrow's gonna be a really big and busy day, so I will see you guys first thing tomorrow morning in Port Everglades, Florida for some more ship spotting. Thank you guys for watching. I know it wasn't really much of a video besides traveling. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow for the real start to the ship spotting weekend. Thanks for watching.